Let's take a look at this question together. First, let's remember the order of operation because this will help a lot. PEMDAS. So in this now, we are to first solve the parenthesis. And what is the parenthesis here? This is the parenthesis. So let's first solve what we have in the bracket so that we will have 12 divided by 4, then bracket 2 plus. Don't forget that after parenthesis, we have exponents. And even in our parenthesis, we are having an exponent, no, a number that has a power. So 2 power 2 will give 4. Then we say minus, we have another exponent outside here that will give 16. Then we can move to the next thing. We have not we are yet to complete this, so let's simplify it further so that we have 12 divided by 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, and once the bracket, when we remove the bracket, it becomes times. So this will be times 6, then minus 16. So in our order of operation, multiplication appears before division. But when you are applying it, you solve from left to right. Whichever one appears first is what you will solve first between multiplication and division, and between addition and subtraction too. So here now, division appears first. So we are to divide before we multiply. So that means 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 4, we give 3. Then we can say 3 times 6, then minus 16. 3 times 6 will give 18. Then we can subtract 18 minus 16 will give 2. So 2 is the answer to this question. You have to follow the order of operation.